Locating metal-clad cable mid-span can be challenging, especially when cables are bundled or their paths are difficult to trace. Here are several methods you can use to identify a specific MC cable without cutting into it right away. Firstly, consider using a tone generator and probe. To do this, connect the tone generator to the line and neutral wires of the circuit you want to locate. Then use the probe to trace the cable. When the probe is near the target cable, it will emit an audible tone, helping you pinpoint its location. Secondly, a thermal camera can be a very effective tool. Start by running a load on the circuit you are trying to locate. This will cause the cable to generate heat. Next, use a thermal camera to scan the area. The cable carrying the load will appear warmer in the camera's image, making it visible and distinguishable from other cables. Thirdly, a voltage detector with a conductive probe can be employed. First, turn off the circuit you wish to locate. Next, use a voltage detector equipped with a conductive probe. Insert the probe into the jacket of the MC cable. If the detector indicates voltage, this is likely the target cable. This method should only be used on circuits that have been de-energized. Fourthly, a cable tracer that uses a transmitter and receiver is very useful. Connect the transmitter to the line and neutral wires of the circuit you are trying to locate. Next, use the receiver to trace the cable. The receiver will pick up the signal emitted by the transmitter, allowing you to follow the cable's path. Some additional tips can help you. If the MC cable is bundled, try to gently separate the jackets to make tracing easier. Use a flashlight or portable work light to better illuminate the area, which can make it easier to see and identify the cables. If possible, trace the cable back to a junction box or electrical panel where you might be able to identify it visually. As a last resort, if all other methods fail, you may need to carefully break open a section of the MC cable and use a non-contact voltage tester to identify the circuit. Always exercise caution and follow all proper electrical safety protocols when working with electrical wiring. Remember to always energize the circuit before attempting any work, unless you are using a non-contact voltage tester as described. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves. Understanding electrical codes and regulations is important for ensuring safe and compliant electrical work. Always consult with a qualified electrician if you are unsure about any aspect of electrical work. Proper planning and preparation are essential for any electrical project. Be sure to gather all necessary tools and materials before beginning work. Taking the time to properly identify circuits and cables can save time and prevent errors. Consider labeling cables and circuits clearly to avoid confusion in the future. Regular maintenance and inspection of electrical systems can help prevent problems and ensure safety. By using these methods and tips, you can improve your ability to locate MC cable mid-span effectively and safely.